In this video, we're talking about Pieverse token, legit or scam. Before buy this token, do your own research and let's get started. So friends, this is a blockchain Web3 and this is compliance intelligence for business and ready payments. You have a pay proof of time, security and documentations and business integrations. You can connect your wallet from this one. You have Binance wallet, MetaMask wallet. Also, you can use Google account. If I use my Google account, so guys, just wait to see my Google account here, and then I will continue with my Google account to check this token. So guys, this is the first step you need to do. This is log in with my Google account. And then this is the token invoice here. You have profiles, you have plans, you can create invoice, you have profiles. This is the token. You can earn points, you can check your own activities, you have referrals activities, you have plan, you can create new goals here, you can schedule your goals. The price of this token is $0.34 with max supply is almost max supply 1 billion, holders 46,000, total supply 1 billion of this token. And this token is listed on Bybit, Binance Alpha, BankedSwap, Uniswap, V3, BankX, and Bitmart. So guys, the bullish is 70%, the bearish is 30%. I see holders is on down, not bet inside here, but the engages as well. I see good engaging here. This is good point for engaging. So guys, anyway, this is top 10 holders is 92% with 30 million of holders amount, a huge number here. This is transaction. I see good amount of transaction. So guys, before buy this token, do your own research. I give this token 6.5 on 10.